How y'all doing? Once again, I'm Terrence Clay. Once again, today we'll be talking about configuring input-output devices. Now, I know that for most of you, most of my users out there, everybody have mobile-friendly cell phone devices or smartphones. In my case, I have a Samsung Galaxy Core. Um, I got a USB hub. You know, if I want to, I got like multiple ports on my hub when I can actually use like different USB channels. It gave me an option to like use like different channels. So if one can be for my phone, another one can be for keyboard or mouse. You know, if I decide to put an extra external USB or I want to say a hard disk drive, I want to put an external hard disk drive, I can do that, which I don't have right now. Currently, I'll ban in the future. I'll have a video on that too. Then, you know, for last but not least, I have a 3.0 SAT version, which helps actually charge my Galaxy Core up quite quickly. But I'm going to show you how to actually put the port into the computer so the OS can recognize the device when it loads up. I know sometimes people can have issues where they can buy new devices on computers and it actually don't loads up or it don't like recognize the device. So we don't have a walkthrough on it right now. So I'm going to plug the port into my computer. I'm going to put it in. I'm going to hook my charger up, phone charger. And I have a wireless keyboard, wireless mouse. It's a keyboard. I'm sorry about that. Here's my mouse. So we gonna do got my mouse with it. So we gonna try to make sure that these devices. So you notice on the bottom screen it say installing device driver softly. So we gonna check the status of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna click start. Okay, kind of recognize the phone. So I'm minimize out of here. But I'm gonna still show you how to get to it anyway. Right click computer. Go to manage. Give it time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to device manager. Device manager pretty much give me the option to like check on the devices and make sure everything is hooked up and it's recognizing everything. So go to device manager. I'm going to load up a little bit. So you want to expand the disk drive. So you want to go to device manager, click device manager. You want to right click the USB, which we're gonna find. Scroll down. See, there's the name list of our hubs. Going back to the 3.0 hub. So we're gonna right in there. We're gonna click USB. Right click. Scroll to properties. We're gonna go to properties. Properties. Click drivers. You can pretty much like update the drivers if you want to. I always go browse through my computer. Hit there, hit next. Give it time to load up. The base drivers are ready, so now the computer can be ready to use once you update the drivers. That's after the fact where the OS don't recognize the USB ports, but in this case we actually can. Like I said, I got a keyboard, not keyboard, mouse. Now I got my mouse working. So as long as you update the drivers on there, everything should be able to work functionally and properly. So there you have it. So how you configure